So we want it to spin that way. Okay, ready? Hey guys, we got a trouble call for a transfer pump that's not running. We'll head over and see what we can figure out. All right, see you there. Okay, so contactor is sucked in. We have voltage. We have no voltage. We have control voltage. Breaker is tripped. And look at all these all falling off. So we've got no voltage on top. Breaker feeding it is tripped. We're going to reset the breaker and see what the amps do. 3, 2, 1. Pretty high. Yeah, that's high. Shut them down. .45 amps at 230. Yeah, let's run them again, see if we can listen to what the sound the pump's making. What is our overload set to? Way too high. Boy, the overload is set way too high on this thing. Our motor overload should be set to 1.15 times 45. 45 times 1.15 is 51.75. There. That's where our overload should be. That's not good. Alright, let's try running again. There's our amps. 60 amps, 65. So yeah, that pump is toast. Grinding. Could be a problem in the motor too. We'd have to disconnect the motor and the pump. Cool, well, that wasn't too bad. Now we got the new pump and motor in the truck. Take it up and unload it. So it'll be like similar idea where you're gonna just rock it over. So we're gonna try and tilt it this way. There you go. Here, let me lower the forks a little bit. There we go. And then spin. There we go. Okay, so there we go. I do my end. Oh, it was jammed, that's why. Okay, now try to slide your in. So, are we clear of the bed? Now we're clear of the bed, yeah? I can go down? Yeah. Cool. Sweet. Wasn't too bad. Low is good. Well, I should be able to go like this. Tilt it back.
No, I mean for putting it off.
You did shut that discharge valve, yeah, the green one. Good. Okay, cool.
And then you want these things off?
Yep, go ahead. Just loosen them. We'll get everything loose. And then we can look at removal. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep, socket tray we're done with. So center punches we're done with. Any of my tools that are laying around you can just put by my bag.
Got it.
So Jaden,
Yeah.
on the end of the pump, there's an arrow. Do you see it?
Yes.
Which way is it spinning if you're looking at the end of the pump?
Spinning to the left.
Would you call that counterclockwise if you're looking this way?
Yes, it's spinning counterclockwise.
And then, so if it's spinning counterclockwise from this direction, which way is it spinning from that direction?
Spinning counterclockwise. That way. Spinning this way, it's going. Isn't it just the same? It's just going counterclockwise.
Well, it's all perspective, right?
Spinning clockwise now. If I stand from here.
Yep, looking at the fan.
Yeah.
Perfect. We're gonna do a rotation check. We're gonna bump it. So right now the breaker's off, yeah? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go like this. You're gonna listen. You're gonna go ready, and I'm gonna say ready, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. That's it.
Okay.
Okay? So the power's off, so nothing happened. But I'm gonna turn on the breaker, and then the power's gonna be on. Pro tip: don't touch the metal in case something bad happens. Okay, so the breaker's on. Wait till I'm in position. So we want it to spin that way. Okay, ready? It is spinning that way. It's spinning the wrong direction. Okay, so it's spinning the wrong direction. So I could either take apart those splices out there, shut off power, or just change 2 of these. What are they? Allen keys? Yeah. Check for voltage. Up here. I'm going to change 2 of these. Check for voltage, though. Verify before I go touching it with a bare Allen key. Yeah, EC. Are you touching metal? Make sure you're touching metal. Your tests are only as good as your probe. No, that's 0. Great, we're at 0. Thank you. Yeah, your tests are only as good as your probing. So if your probe is in a poor way, so is your test. Where? Oh, just the mud wasp, yeah. They're pretty minor. Okay, you're gonna do the same test again when I say I'm ready, okay? And then we'll verify that everything's spinning the right direction. Our arrow is that way. We want it to spin away. Ready? You gotta press it in a little harder. Do it again. Good. All right, rotation's correct.
Compass now is to unwind here.
Thank you. All right, let's just try to push it. One, two, three. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now let's lift. That's good, right there. There we go. Good. Nice job. Awesome. So these guys don't have a check valve on this pump suction. This pump suction is a discharge from another pump. It's pulling it from a reservoir. And since there's no check valve, every time they turn it off and open this up, all the pipe gets air pulled into it. So now the only air release they have is this tiny little 1/4-inch bibcock thing, ballcock valve. So now we're bleeding all the air out there, and then we can start up the pump and get some run data.